If you want this type of viral Promise Day photo, please like, share and subscribe. You can copy prompts link in video's description. First, we open Google Gemini application. Click on Create Image option and then click on plus icon. We open Gallery and add one photo. Then paste prompt in a box and click Send button. And wait for a second, your amazing viral Promise Day photos are ready. Similarly, you can try all prompts one by one